fully acknowledge that I am a passionate person, and when I feel passionate about something, I get fired up about it.
Shiznit. I am going to have to make another channel, just to have free speech, and maybe no death threats. Ironically, I worry most about the so-called Christians coming after me. No wonder Jill doesn't want to answer this question.
But that is why I'm really skittish to put a label or category on myself now. I have been pretty aggressively attacked by those proclaiming Christ, those who call themselves Christians.
Despite being an introvert, I had to speak out, specifically to speak to people who call themselves a Christian.
Hey, it's about time real Vermonter put Morgan Gold at frickin' Goldshaw Farm down a peg, Kate.
What's the second commandment, you guys? I'll wait. It's to love your neighbors.
This is definitely not going to be an easy video to make.
Shiznit. I am going to have to make another channel.
A few moments later.
How do you stand with our Lord Jesus?
Christians give Christians a bad name. How does Morgan react with more grace and kindness than most so-called Christians after the outright evil of this? I think most of the hate I see now and in history has always been in the name of some religion, mostly Christian religions. No wonder his answer is this.
So no shade intended to folks who do, but I, for one, do not.
You guys, your hate is turning people away from God. YouTube is hard. I just had to make a brand spanking new channel because being on YouTube is hard. Like worrying about your physical safety hard. How can hound hunting, your political view, or your opinion be more important than your faith? You can love others and not agree on everything. In fact, you can love others and agree on nothing. That's the true spirit of God. And that isn't what I am seeing from those that claim to know God. Not everyone who says to me, Lord, Lord, will enter the kingdom of heaven. I declare to them, I never knew you. Depart from me, you workers of lawlessness. The will of God is first, to love God. The second commandment is to love others. Why am I not seeing anyone else speak out against this hate? I wonder so many are quick to dismiss God.